Up next is Chip.
Hi, my name is Chip Allee. I'm with a company called CeuticalSoft. We have a product line called OpenHDS, and the company's run by myself and Jeff Moore. Jeff is not here, and he's actually our chem informatics expert, and he's responsible for most of what I'm talking about, but I'll see what I can do. Everything we do is Excel-based, so we have Excel modules for data analysis and querying, and now we have a compound registration system that's also Excel-based. Our core modules, we have a lot of different modules and for robotics and instrumentation, various other things, but core modules, we focus on kinetic data for, say, flipper assays, automated dose response, and plate calculations, any variation of plate calculations, either for assay development or high throughput screening, et cetera. We now have a registration system which is based on JChem for Excel, which is pretty much what I'm here to talk about. We do orthogonal mixing and plate layouts, and then we have a module for plate reader file conversion. And again, it's all native Excel. So getting down to it, the registration system is Excel-based, of course, and it's JChem for Excel, and it works off the .NET API. And at the moment we're exclusive to Oracle. So we decided a long time ago that we just can leverage Excel and do things much quicker and easier with a lot less code. And of course, we didn't have any chemistry, native chemistry for Excel, and so we started working with JChem for Excel. And it has turned out to be a nice blend. People are very comfortable with Excel. They already have it. They like using it. You can bring in sets of compounds into your Excel sheets and manipulate the data and do whatever you want, and then basically push some buttons and do registration right out of Excel. And there's all the features of the .NET API are essentially available. Again, we do any JChem structure table. We handle any sort of lot scenario, and the full functionality of Oracle is deployed. So I guess the first feature here is field mapping. So we have Excel-based field mapping, and this is for batch registration or individual registration. You can mix and match your SD file fields with your database fields in any way you want. You can save multiple templates and for different operations. Compound ID management. So you go into most places and they already have some existing scenario, the way they handle their corporate IDs. This is designed to handle any sort of corporate ID format, customized ID generation, lot ID generation, et cetera. And there's a lot of sort of API customization capabilities built in. All sorts of integration can be done through the combination of .NET, the JChem .NET API, and through our APIs. Structure filtering capabilities that sort of excluding compounds based on various criteria, et cetera. We have full salt stripping capabilities and salt handling built into it. And there's a complete audit trail capability for any sort of structure changes if you're updating compounds, et cetera. There's a complete audit trail capability. All our modules are very easy to configure through property tables and Excel sheets. And if, for somebody who's trained a little bit, you can change the interface. You can adapt the application for whatever the end user audience is. So that's about it. Again, it's a fully featured corporate compound registration system based on JChem for Excel, and of course it's native Excel. So, thank you.